up, guys? Welcome to my video. I'm headed to a location off the railroad tracks here. And you never know who you're gonna meet up with. Yeah, I've been here, I think, 2 times before. That was the first time I came face to face with actually somebody on the railroad tracks. Usually they'll go in the opposite direction. This area is known for some people that are homeless camp out here, drug activity. I don't think this railroad track is a live railroad track. I think the one on the opposite side is. So that's why I had to bring a hand truck here with big tires, because my cart, there's no way my cart can go over these railroad ties here. I wanted to get out here early because I think 8 o'clock in the morning is when the water was the lowest. So but I'm almost at the destination. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm tying my magnet off to this link here. I think it was a railroad link right here. I don't have my walking stick anymore. I usually use that. I usually put that in the ground and tie my magnet off that way. Oh, there's a spike right here. I could have used this, but that's all right. I'll just try this for now. As you can see, the water is still low. That's good. So let's see what I can get out of here. Let me check my fittings here. I think I'm gonna, maybe in springtime, invest in a new magnet. I got my rope coming in. So hopefully I'll get that in Sunday. And by the way, today's October 18th, 2024. Oh, got something already. What could it be? Right above the railroad tracks. What do you think it could be? Oh, I got 2 things on there. Well, the railroad spikes, of course. I'll just throw them on the concrete for now. All right, let me strip this stuff off. All right, so far so good. This is a good start there. I mean, the water's so low. I think I see rope, cable, whatever. There's cable. Then I got this metal piece right there. All right. I don't want to get tangled up in that cable, so. Oh, that's not good. The water's so low, I'm practically throwing right on rocks here. All right, nothing but debris on that one. think I got company here. Look like somebody sleeps here. Gotta keep my eye out. Let's check this area here. This is mud. Nope, it's concrete. The only thing is, if I go down there, I ain't gonna get up. I don't know if you can see that tire. There's a tire right there. Alright, I'm gonna go where the water's a little deeper. Alright, I'm gonna try right here. I'm in the muddy section here. At least the water's a little deeper. But, shoot. Whoa. And it's slippery. And still dealing with rocks. Anything on that throw? Yeah, watch out for the spike that's in this board here. I got a little piece of metal here. And the rest is rocks. Alright, I don't know if I'm hitting rocks or I got something on here, so. Oh yeah, I got something on here. What the hell is it? Oh, it looks like a tire. And something else on there. Oh, the tire came off. But this heavy thing's still on there. The hell is it? What the heck is it? If I had my hammer, I'd break it off, but I got nothing hard. No hard surface around here to break this off, so I'm just gonna throw it up there for now and see if I can retrieve that tire. Get this mud. Where are you, tire? There we go. Oh, lost it again. Third time's a charm. Just take it slow. Okay, whoops. The metal part came out. Really wasn't that much metal on that tire. All right, let me clean this up. Okay. I think I'm on a roll here. I think I got something on here. Trying to keep it slow. It's got weight to it. Oh. Oh. The good old railroad plate. Gotta keep your eyes open in an area like this. Like I said, you never know who's gonna come around here. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I just said, that's why I do this in the morning. Let me take this off. There we go. And little pieces of metal here. All right, let me get this cleaned up. All right, Got some stuff on here. See what we got. I think this probably went to the railroad. Piece of metal here. You know what makes it hard trying to get this off is I gotta stand in the mud in order to get just. I don't have my steel toe on today because my steel toe is not waterproof. And we got little pieces of metal here. We got this. Probably went to a fencing or something, a fencing strap or something. And the rest is debris. Okay, I think I got something on here. I'm trying to be careful, it's very slippery. I'm standing in the mud and this top part's not very stable. What we got? It's like a railroad spike. Oh, we got two railroad spikes. Well, this is a railroad spike, but this, it's got a twist to it. Anybody knows what this is? Let me know in the comments. Is this considered a railroad spike or some type of, I mean, anytime you have something like this twisted on there, it's usually mainly used for wood. So, let me know in the comments. And the railroad spike to add to the collection here. I'm going to try not to get too much weight. It's very hard trying to wheel a bucket of 50 plus pounds of metal over the railroad tracks. So, and it's only the first location. I still got a second location I'm going to try out. Alright, let's throw in the magnet and see what we can get. That was a bad throw. But let's see what we got on here. What? This could have been a railroad spike at one time. Let's see if I can break it off here. Yeah, one time this was a railroad spike. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna make a couple more throws and then I'm gonna head to the second location. Something tells me I better get out of Dodge. Alright, oh, what's this? Look at this thing here. It's magnetic. I thought maybe it was copper or brass or something. But actually it's the wrong color. I'm gonna put that in my pocket. And the rest is debris. Don't have my bucket. It's just rocks and stuff. Alright, a couple more throws here to make sure this rope's out of the way. I made a couple bad throws. We got a lot of twigs and branches besides the mud and the slimy conditions here. Trying to see what direction the water's going. See if it's making its way back. I mean, this is the tail end of Little Timber Creek, because after that, once you get past that overpass or bridge there, it's the Delaware River. All right, let's see if I got anything on there. Yeah, I got the shiny piece here. Anytime I see something like this, usually probably a shopping cart. The silver stuff. Anything else on there besides silver? Actually, not real silver. Real silver wouldn't stick to the magnet here. All right, all the rest is rocks. Okay, it's gonna be the last throw and then off to the second location. Okay, I got some down here. Okay, this is not considered a railroad spike, but this is considered a railroad spike. This has like a 4-leaf clover type top to it. And it's like the last one. More like a screw type. Yeah, it may probably used for wood and stuff. Alright. And the rest is just debris. Alright, I'm off to the second location. I'll see you guys there. Alright. I noticed these bones here. I think an animal was killed on these railroad tracks. Hard to tell what type of animal, but I don't know. All right, I'm glad I left when I did. This bucket was like 40-50 pounds going uphill. Then I gotta lift this up. I gotta lift this up over the railroad tracks because it branches off. I think this railroad track where I'm on is the live railroad tracks, and the one towards my left where I'm exiting is the railroad tracks that is not in use. Lucky for me, because if that was a live railroad track, I would have to, if the train came, I would have to you know, go downhill right into the water. So I gotta make that transition onto the other railroad tracks. That means I gotta lift this up. All right. All right. All right, guys, I'll see you when I make it out. All right, guys, I made it out there out of the railroad tracks. Well, I'll be getting run over by a train or confronting anybody. I managed to pull this out. I can use that for because I'm going to need this bucket for the second area. So we're going to do a transfer of this stuff into this bin here and head to the second location. I'll see you guys there. All All right, guys, to make it down to the second location. This is the other end of Newton Creek. I guess you can consider this the east end of Newton Creek here. I had to walk a long distance just to get here. I tried to look for parking, non-existent. Other than that, see what's on the magnet here. Some type of what's this? I don't know what the hell that is, but let's see what this is. I'm gonna try to take this off. I'm in a very slippery area here. I don't have my steel-toe boots. Oh, this is making it hard to get off. All right, let me work on this. All right, guys, got something on the magnet here. I don't know if you can see those cranes down there. There's about 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. But I'm gonna see what I got on here. What the heck is this? One looks like a pry bar. It is a pry bar. And this here I do not have a clue what the heck this is. Maybe it went to a railing or something, I don't know. It's got a little notch here. Maybe it's used to hold something down. Oh well. Alright. See what else is on there. Nothing but debris. Well, except for this. Just wire here. Alright, let me get this cleaned up. Okay, I got something on here. Oh, here's one of those type of spikes I found, like in the first area. This looks like it broke off. Probably pointing at one end. I think something like this will go in wood. I don't think it would go in metal. So I don't know if it's railroad related or not. All right, I'll add that to my collection here. See what else is on here. And we got more of this little wire here. Put that right there. Still was a coin. And the rest is debris. Okay. It's amazing how, if you look at this, it looks like you're not gonna find anything. You can see the stones and everything. But yet, I'm pulling stuff out left and right here. And usually the same stuff. Like these. I mean, it's the third piece. The second and third piece I pulled out. You got a little piece of rebar here. I'd like to know what these are. They look like something you would hold down on. Like it would clamp down. Matter of fact, I can make these into clamps. If I put notches on here, I use this as a slide or something. Yeah, I could probably make clamps out of this. Except for this piece here. What else is on there? Got little pieces of metal. Alright, let me get this cleaned up. Alright, I think I got something on here. Okay, flat piece of metal plate here, probably railroad related. There's another wire. It's hard to take something off. I mean, these are waterproof boots here, but they're not like steel toe. They don't have a hard bottom. All right, all the rest is debris. Okay, I got one of those pieces of metal on there again. Like I said, anybody knows what these are, let me know in the comments. I don't know if they're railroad related or bridge related. And then we got more wire here. And a little piece of metal here. And the rest is debris. Okay, got something on here. Oh, finally we got a railroad spike. Okay, by the time I'm done here, another piece of wire. Oh, this is not wire, this is, I think it's a nail. And that's about it. Alright, I think I got something on here. Oh, it's a one big long bolt here. And this one is threaded all the way through. Most likely bridge related. By the time I'm done here, I'll have over 100 pounds of scrap and another piece of wire. Okay. All right, guys. I have something on here. We're running on one battery here, so that's a new GoPro. All right. It's one of those bolts again. And looks like a nail or a screw at one time. All right, I'm gonna make a couple more throws and then I gotta head out of here. Try and get a close-up view. I got this new GoPro here, so I might have something on here. What the hell's that? That's a mystery piece there. And it's one of those, it looks like clamps. That's what it looks like. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you know what this is. Alright, and the rest is rocks. Alright, I'm gonna make one more throw and that'll be it. Oh, that was a lousy throw, standing right on the rope. Like I said, you know, never underestimate the area where you magnafish. Oh, what's this? It's one big giant lock washer. And the rest is just debris. All right, let me get this cleaned up. All right, I'll make my way out. if you decide to magnafish and you gotta go down a railroad track, make sure you got a cart with big wheels on it. Because if you go there with a cart with small wheels, you're gonna have problems. All right, I gotta make a long trip to my car, so I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, I'm gonna showcase or conclude this video with things I pulled out. As you notice, when I pulled this one item out, the stick was stuck to it. But when I pulled it off, let me get my gloves on, it revealed what's underneath. Let's see if I use my hammer. This is a well cover. It says well. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says well there. So or in the other part up here, it says test. Test well. That's interesting. Alright, and basically everything else, you know, railroad spikes. This might be railroad related. We got these screws here. I don't know if these are lock hinges or whatever, or railroad related. I don't know. Then we got this clamp here. I have a whole bunch of, I didn't pull everything out. That's most of the stuff back in there. There's no sense pulling everything out of here, out of the buckets. And then we got railroad plate. And then we got a large railroad plate. Then we get this large crowbar and this long bolt here. So other than that, if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again.